Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. This is a quick video about downloading photos and videos from your digital camera or DSLR to your iPad. So I'm making use of this little white device I'm holding. This is known as the camera connection kit. This is not the one that Apple sells. The one that Apple sells is slightly on the expensive side. So I just picked this one up from eBay for less than $5, but it does the work it's supposed to. So the camera connection kit from Apple would work exactly the same way as demonstrated in this video. The device which I have has the lightning port because I'm making use of the iPad 4. So it has the lightning port. If you have the older iPad, you can buy the camera connection kit with the old 30-pin port. So in whichever way, the procedure for connecting and importing photos is just going to be the same. So you can follow the method shown in this video. So let's take a closer look at the device. As you can see, this device supports SD cards, and it also has a USB port. So I'll demonstrate with an SD card, or let's say if I want to transfer photographs or videos from a digital camera, or in our case I have the GoPro, which has the mini USB port. So if I want to transfer photographs from the GoPro to my iPad, I can use the USB port. I can use a mini USB cable and connect my GoPro to the device. So this device does not support micro SD cards. So if let's say if I want to transfer photographs from this micro SD card, then what I need to do is I need a micro USB adapter. So I can insert the micro USB card into the adapter, and I can insert this adapter into the SD card slot of the camera connection device. So in this way you can you can import photographs from your micro SD cards, because the device as such does not support micro SD cards. So if you ask me which option is better, that is let's say you have your digital camera and you also have the data cable that is provided with your digital camera, and let's say your digital camera supports makes use of SD cards. So if you ask me which option do I use, that is use the SD card directly or connect my digital camera to the USB, I would say I would suggest inserting the SD card directly into this device would work better, because you get much faster transfer speeds using the card directly compared to connecting your camera using the USB port, because most cameras these days that can record full HD videos make use of a class 10 SD card. With a class 10 SD card you get speeds like around 30 megabytes per second. So I would suggest using your SD card directly with this device rather than connecting your camera to the through the USB port. So it's just my suggestion, but you can use whichever option you're comfortable with. So now let's try importing photographs from this SD card to my iPad. So manufacturer of this device, this camera connection device, has instructed that you insert your SD card into this device first and then insert the device into your iPad. So let's just follow the instruction. So I'm inserting the SD card into the camera connection device, and in this device there's actually a toggle switch over here, so that you can toggle between an SD card and a USB. So right now the toggle switch is pointing to SD card, so I can connect the camera connection kit to the iPad. So let's just try. So yeah, let me insert it. Okay, so before that, let me go to photos. So right now you just see 3 tabs at the bottom, that is photos, shared and albums. So once you insert this, you see another tab pop up at the bottom, the import tab. So what you need to do is, right now I just have one photograph in the SD card just to demonstrate. So once I touch the import tab, so it just shows a thumbnail of the photograph that is present in my SD card. So if you need to enlarge the picture, that is, see the entire picture of the iPad, you need to import it. So let me select it. So I've selected it. There's a small tick at the bottom, and let me click import. So right now it's importing. Okay, so you get a message here, import complete, would you like to delete the imported photo from the attached camera? So let me choose keep. So let me go back to albums, and so there is something called last import, and yeah, here you have the picture. You also have another tab called all imported. So this is the last photograph, is the one that I imported now, and the other photographs are the ones that I imported before. So you have a specific album called last import, where you'll be able to see the picture you just imported. So yeah, I hope it's clear to you, like how to import the photographs from your SD card to your iPad. So if I want to use if I want to import photographs from my GoPro directly to my iPad, it's just the same way. I have a mini USB cable here, so I just need to connect the mini USB to the GoPro, and I need to connect the USB port to the USB receiver of the camera connection kit, and it's pretty much the same process. So I hope this is clear to you guys. So you just witnessed a demonstration of downloading pictures and videos from your camera to your iPad. Hope you liked my video, guys. Give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Have fun. Take care.